Hi there, I'm Mark Robinson, the principal here at Columbia Junior High. As we get set for our building cleaning, we wanted to go through some of the procedures. As you can imagine, a lot of people are involved in the cleaning of a school building throughout the day. Safe cleaning practices look like the following. Custodial staff will begin daytime cleaning and disinfecting before the start of each school day. Schools will be cleaned and sanitized each day and evening. Buses will be cleaned at the end of each route and then again at the end of the day. Classrooms will have extra supplies to clean high-touch items. Shared equipment and supplies will be disinfected between cohort use. Students and staff will be required to frequently wash or sanitize their hands. Students' belongings and supplies will be separated from others and minimize sharing of high-touch materials to the extent possible. Playground and PE equipment will be cleaned after each cohort. Students and staff will wash and sanitize hands after recess or lunch. Well, my tagline as a leader is do whatever it takes. As you can imagine, we're going to do whatever it takes here at Columbia Junior High, and I know I speak on behalf of everybody else here in the Fife School District. We will do whatever it takes to make sure things are both safe, and we can hardly wait to have students return to class.